We've got a really heavy part here. It feels like I'm holding something in solid gold. What is this?
So this is an arc slit. It's used in ion implantation in the semiconductor industry, and it's printed out of tungsten. So recently the AIG has gone through substantial efforts to revamp some of our parameters for different applications. So we've greatly improved the surface finish. We also have thin wall parameters, and all of that has culminated in us now having a certified tungsten parameter set. So we first printed this in 2012, long before a lot of other people, and we have a lot of industry knowledge around this specific metal.
What sort of industries would we typically find tungsten parts?
Pretty much where the operating conditions are just going to be the worst of the worst. So semiconductors, you've got very corrosive environments, you have very high temperatures. You also see tungsten used in nuclear applications. And then there are even some axle components in Formula One cars that are tungsten to serve as a counterweight.
So this would typically be printed on the DMP Flex 350?
We print all of our tungsten on the Flex 350. We have a build volume reducer that makes the expensive alloys make a lot more sense for all of our customers. So that's something that we offer through the AIG. You can get a very substantial build height for not a lot of powder, and that greatly reduces your actual manufacturing costs, as well as your R&D costs and actually getting your parts to market.